I have read over 40 books on money, and the things that I have discovered are truly shocking. In this video, I'm going to share the 7 most powerful secrets that will help you get way ahead on your own wealth game, starting from the first eye-opening money secret. Your mindset is the biggest factor that determines your wealth. Henry Ford has famously said, "If you think you can or you think you can't, you are right." You see, no one accidentally stumbled upon wealth. Getting rich in most cases is a conscious decision. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill perfectly captures it. You may not be able to believe at first, but if you decide and consistently keep on working towards getting rich, sooner or later it will be your reality. But how does anyone get rich? This brings me to second eye-opening money secret: buying assets, ditching liabilities. This one comes from one of the most popular personal finance books of our time, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Basically, to become rich, you need to buy assets and reduce your liabilities. What are assets and liabilities, you ask? Simple. Assets put money in your pocket, while liabilities take money out. When your money, or assets to be precise, starts working for you and earning for you, you will have unlimited wealth potential. To do that, you can follow the learnings of third eye-opening money secret. That is, keep moving to the right side of cashflow quadrant. This one also comes from another Robert Kiyosaki's book, The Cashflow Quadrant. But it is proposed by Tony Robbins in his various works, and MJ DeMarco has written The Millionaire Fast Lane on the same subject. The cashflow quadrant has 4 sections: employee, self-employed, business owner, and investor. To become wealthy, move towards right of this graph. It means be more of a business owner and an investor than an employee or self-employed. The reason is that business owners and investors are working on leverage. Either they have a workforce that is working for them and creating wealth for them, or they have employed their money in something that is bringing in more money for them. They themselves are not trading their time and skills to create. They have hired people, tools, capital, and knowledge to create meaningful products and services. Everyone can be and should be an investor. But being a business owner can sound daunting to most people. This brings me to the 4th eye-opening money secret: design your lifestyle. Tim Ferriss, in his book 4-Hour Workweek, proposes that before you chase after any kind of material success, first redefine what wealth means for you. Rich experiences and freedom are the most important factors to live a great life, and you may or may not need crap ton of money to get them. So, eliminate unnecessary work and time wasters. Automate repetitive tasks and low-impact work by delegating, outsourcing, or by technology. And liberate yourself from every shifting goalpost. Take mini retirements and vacations from time to time. In short, enjoy your life right now rather than chase after an imaginary perfect future. But that doesn't mean spending money wantonly. You exchange some sort of value to get that money. Either it is your time, your expertise, your resources, or your skills. So money is always a finite resource. That's why Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez call money as life energy in their book, Your Money or Your Life. And this also brings me to 5th eye-opening money secret: value your time and life. What does that has to do with the money? Let me explain. See, you are spending your time to earn money. Say your hourly rate is $25, and you go out and blow $200 on a pair of sneakers. You have effectively blow away your one day of work on a utility you could have got for $25. So you could have only spent 1 hour instead of 8 hours on the same result. Equate everything you buy with the number of hours you are going to spend to afford it. You may catch yourself from buying some non-essential things that cost you days or even weeks of your time. But what's the use of this frugality? This brings me to 6th eye-opening money secret: use money to buy your freedom. That's what The Psychology of Money from Morgan Housel explains. Money can't buy happiness, but it can buy freedom. Because if you use your money wisely, it will be able to go much further, and simple financial advice often works best, such as investing in low-cost index funds. If you combine these 2 things, there is a very high chance that you will end up enormously wealthy in your life. But this is one way, and not the only way. This also brings me to 7th eye-opening money secret: play offensive and defensive wealth game. Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko, in their book, The Millionaire Next Door, talk about the offensive and defensive approach. Either you can play defensive and slowly save a little bit every day to reach your goals in few decades, or you can play offensively, start your business, and take risky bets. You have the potential to reach your goals much faster. But why not play both the games? The best approach is to have a healthy mix of both of these approaches. Be frugal, save, and invest. At the same time, try to find opportunities to earn from a side gig, freelancing, or a business. That's about it. See you in next video.